Good morning, my seedy friends. I wanted to talk to you about seed saving. I know it's a strange topic in the spring when you're in the greenhouse and you're starting seeds. But the reason we're out here is I wanted to show you what collard greens look like. They're about 6 weeks old, and I want to show you how to save the seeds from them. So this is how they start, pretty small. I'm going to pause this and go out to the garden and show you what last year's collard greens look like and how they're starting to set seed. Be right back. Alright, so I thought I'd let you walk back there with me because the girls are looking so cute this morning. They wanted to say hi. Got a little jumper outer. Oh, and the rooster's talkative as well. Alright, so we're just going to head back here to the garden. You can already see what I'm going to show you. Oh my goodness. So sunny out here. I'm certainly not going to complain about it. Let's see if I can get a good angle here. So this huge plant is what collard greens look like. And you can tell if you look down at the stem. Can you see that? See the collard greens, the leaves? Well, that is how that little plant in the greenhouse started. And now, over the winter, these are the ones that survived, so I didn't pull them out. They overwintered nicely, and then as you can see, they're going into these big, beautiful flowers. I'm about, I don't know, 5'5", 5'4", and yeah, they're as tall as me. So you can see on here the beautiful yellow flowers. This is going to happen with all the brassicas. But basically, these flowers are going to turn into seed pods, and we're going to collect the seed pods. And I can tell by this size of plant and the amount of flowers we're getting ready to have, we're going to have a lot of collard green seeds. And I will definitely do a follow-up when the seed pods are hanging here. But if you look, you can see there's plenty of big collard leaves on here. And actually, if I go down here, you can see here's anyone know what that is? That's kale. And see how that's getting ready to flower because that overwintered as well. That didn't actually do very well last season. But if it gives me some seed, I'll be happy with that because it'll be my first year playing with collecting that variety of seeds. I don't really have much going in the garden yet. As you can see, all that's really happening out here is just a little bit of garlic. And I got some peas growing up the fence. These are snow peas. I'll show them to you quick since we're out here. You can see they're just starting to come in, the snow peas. They're still pretty small, but maybe if we get some nice weather and a little sunshine, it'll help them kick into gear. But maybe you can see how big those collard green plants are from over here. Well, they're huge, very pretty. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how much seed I collect. So this video was about harvesting seeds from brassicas. Maybe that's not how you say it, but broccoli, cauliflower, collard greens, plants of that nature. And those specifically over there are collard greens. Have a great day, my seedy friends.